Hello everyone, this is a bonus clip to explain the grammar pattern for lesson 1A. English sentence structure is always subject, verb, and object. For example, I like BTS. I is a subject, like is a verb, and BTS is an object. In Korean, the sentence structure is different. We go with subject, object, and verb. Verb always comes at the end. So when you try to make a long Korean sentence in future, if you're confused, always remember verb is the last one. So we say I BTS like. 저는 BTS를 좋아합니다. In lesson 1A, we didn't cover object. We only covered subject particle and be verb. In Korean, there are many particles. These are called particles. Native Koreans tend to drop particles when they speak because of this quickly, 빨리 nature of Korean people. But as a Korean learner, I highly recommend you to learn the proper way. Subject particle is easy to understand. You just need to use 는 or 은 on subjects. For example, twice는 because of 으 sound, 삼성은 because of ng sound on the bottom. 입니다 is a be verb. You know what be verbs are, right? Am, are, and is. Then our question is, in English, we have three different types of present be verbs depending on what the subject is. If the subject is I, then we use am. If the subject is this phone, then we use is. If the subject is Wendy, then we use is as well. In Korean, we only have one. Simple, hey? No matter what the subject is, I, you, or Wendy, or Irene, we just use 입니다. However, in Korean, we have different ending forms like 입니다, 이에요, 이다, and so on. This shows the level of politeness and sometimes the intention of the sentence. Don't worry about it yet. We'll cover this later too. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thanks for watching the bonus clip for lesson 1A. And have a nice day.